Hello, my name is Samira Hayat and I come from Pakistan. I grew up with two distinctly different takes on technology. On the one hand, I was really fascinated by these sci-fi movies with autonomous super intelligent cars like Batman and Knight Rider, which gave us a glimpse into a very fascinating kind of future. And on the other hand, there were very similar future-like remotely controlled drones that were coming to bomb villages in my country. There has always been a lot of skepticism about the negative influences of technology and that technology can always be used for bad purposes. But I am an optimist and I really believe that even technologies like killer drones can be brought to the good side, that we can transform killer drones into healer drones.
Mein Name ist Paul Ladinig und ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Ich studiere hier auf der Alma-Ata-Universität in Klagenfurt Informationstechnik mit dem Studienzweig Wirtschaftsingenieurwesen. Schon seit meiner Schulzeit habe ich mich speziell für wirtschaftliche und technische Zusammenhänge interessiert, was ich durch meine letzten Jahre hier an der Universität auch stark intensivieren konnte. So denke ich, dass Samira und ich einen guten Mix aus betriebswirtschaftlichem und ingenieurswissenschaftlichem Know-how aufbringen können.
For the past 5 years, I have been working in Alma-Ata University as a PhD student with my research focus on pathfinding for autonomous flight of drones, specifically in applications where we can help and save humans.
And together with Lakeside Labs, we apply for the UEG program to realize our business idea. And we are confident that this will allow us a faster and better start.